This video describes how to edit an existing SDR deposit. While depositing a work in the SDR is intended to be permanent, depositors may make changes to the files or the metadata associated with the deposited work at any time. To edit a work, navigate to your dashboard at sdr.stanford.edu. Some users may see the title of the work they want to edit listed on the dashboard. However, the dashboard only displays a few of the most recent deposits to each collection, so if you have multiple works, you may need to visit the page for your collection to find the work to edit. To do this, find the collection containing the work you want to edit, and at the bottom of the list, click See All Deposits. Look through the list to find the work you want to edit, or, if you have many works, you can also search this list for a word or words in the title. Once you've found it, click the title. On the page for your work, click the Edit or Deposit button on the top right of the screen. Make any changes you'd like to the files or the metadata associated with the deposit. When you are finished, navigate to the Deposit screen. In the box labeled What's Changing, leave a brief note about what you've changed. This note will be visible to you, those with whom you share this work in the SDR app, collection managers, and SDR staff. It will not be displayed on the published page for your work or be visible to anyone else. When you are finished, click Deposit. If you are submitting a deposit in a collection that has the review workflow on, your work will be reviewed and reapproved every time you make changes. Adding or removing files and hiding or unhiding files will cause a new public version of your work to be created. This means that visitors to your page will be able to see the new files and metadata for the work, but they will also be able to navigate to another page that shows the previous files and metadata for the work. If you change only the metadata and not the files, then the current version of the work is updated and a new public version is not created.